Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data. Make a backup copy immediately, because once removed changes can be hard to undo. Next, confirm which column holds the numbers and normalize formatting. Remove spaces, leading plus signs, or parentheses so values match. Then sort that column ascending. This groups duplicates together and speeds detection. Once done, you're ready to apply a deduplication method, either built in spreadsheet tools or a scripted filter, depending on the size and complexity of the list. You now detect duplicates. In Excel or Google Sheets, use remove duplicates or a unique formula, selecting only the number column so related fields stay aligned. For larger CSVs, use command line tools like sort unique or a Python script with pandas. Drop duplicates, subset equals call, which gives you control over keeping the first or last occurrence. Once identified, remove extras or merge metadata when duplicates carry different information. This prevents accidental loss of important notes. You finish by validating the cleaned list. Compare record counts against your backup and run a duplicate check once more to confirm none remain. Make sure formats are standardized so future imports don't recreate doubles. Use rejects replace or a normalization script for phone or numeric patterns. If something goes wrong, restore the backup, then repeat the process on a copy with conservative settings. For example, mark duplicates instead of deleting, so you can inspect before final removal and avoid irreversible data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.